Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your sleep score on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap Sleep. Here you can see last night's sleep score. If you scroll down, you can see more information about your night's sleep. To see your sleep score for other nights, you need to go to the Huawei Health app on your phone. Open the app and make sure that you are on the Health tab. Scroll down and tap on the Sleep panel. Here you can see a graph of your night's sleep. Below is your sleep score and some more information. Tap the date at the top to change the day. You can tap week to see an overall sleep score for a week selected. You can also do this with months and years. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.